The Congress for Progressive Change don hail Presido Tinubu for the way e take honour late former Presido Buhari. The group tok say the recent burial ceremony show the respect and dignity wey Buhari deserve. As him dey yarn for Abuja, CPC National Coordinator Atanasius Okon thank the Presido for im leadership and promise say the group go still dey support am. Our Abuja Tori person, Rose Njagu, yarn say CPC still dey beg Presido Tinubu make e recognize and support people wey dey work to keep the party vision alive. Dem believe say this one go help make the party strong for future.
For the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, we on the platform of the Progressive Patriots of CPC family, formerly Buhari Friends Organization Network, a unit of the Congress of Progressive Change, CPC, a major stakeholder of the legacy parties that comprises APC today, we humbly rise to say bravo, well done, sir, for standing firm when it matters most, to show solidarity and honor for your real political associates of the Progressive family. We truly appreciate you and all you did to show true comradeship at the occasion of a well-deserved state burial ceremony for the late former President Buhari. We say a big thank you for assisting and still promising to maintain and consolidate on the legacies of Muhammadu Buhari. In view of this genuine love you showed and showered during the times Buhari needed you most, as his true loyalists, associates, and friends, we have decided, amongst other things, to equally show you the progressive love, solidarity, and support where possible. Since we are appreciating Mr. President for a job well done so far, as a responsible and listening leader, we are still requesting for more recognition and encouragement to be extended to our political family, the CPC bloc. We are earnestly requesting for more political appointments for our members, etc. Also very imperative to mention here as a special request to further consolidate, promote, and maintain the Buhari's legacy of the CPC, which with him and all of us here founded, we humbly request for the position of National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, considering the fact that out of the three major legacy parties, CPC, NPP, and ACN, the rest two, apart from CPC, have taken their turns to lead the party. Therefore, we strongly believe doing this to us is as good as giving us a sense of belonging in the progressive family.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame, but he fame on us more. TMC News.